Hello students, in this session you are going to learn chapter 9 Introduction to C++. Contents of this session are first access modifier constant and next formatting output. First access modifier constant. Constant is the keyword used to declare a constant variable. You already learnt about constant in the previous chapter. Constants are data items whose values do not change during the execution of a program. So, a constant data may never be modified in the program. Now, look at this example program. Always the program starts with the given first 4 lines. And in the 5th line, we have declared the integer variable num as constant. That means it cannot be modified in the program. And in next line, I am incrementing the num value by 1. That means it will cause an error message in the program. So we cannot print the next cout line. So constant means the value cannot be modified or altered. Next, formatting output. C++ offers several input and output manipulators for formatting, and some commonly used manipulators are ENDL, setW, setfill, setPrecision and setf. Now let us see each manipulator one by one. And last setf we will see in the next following chapters. First, ENDL manipulator. ENDL function is used to insert a new line character and flush the output stream. So, working of ENDL manipulator is similar to /n character in C++. ENDL inserts a new line and flushes the buffer. That is, it cleans the memory space, whereas /n inserts only a new line. So, both ENDL and /n serve the same purpose in C++. They insert a new line. However, the key difference between them is that ENDL causes a flushing of the output buffer. That is, every time it is called, whereas /n does not do that. Next, setW manipulator. setW function stands for setWidth. setWidth manipulator sets the width of the field assigned for the output, and the field width determines the minimum number of characters to be returned in output. And the syntax for setW function is setW number of characters. Now look at this example code. Here in cout we had set the field width as 10. So in the output 10 spaces will be allocated for given string hello. Here 5 will be empty and next 5 will be filled with hello. So this is the working of setW. Next, setfill manipulator. Setfill function is used to specify a different character to fill the unused field width of the value. So this manipulator is usually used after setW. If the presented value does not entirely fill the given width, then the specified character in the setfill argument is used for filling the empty fields. And the syntax for setfill is setfill character. Now look at this example code. Here in cout we had set the field width as 10, and next we had set the set fill by asterisk symbol. So in the output 10 spaces will be allocated for the given string hello. Here first 5 will be filled with asterisk symbol instead of empty spaces, and next 5 will be filled with hello. So this is the use of set fill. Next, set precision manipulator. It is used to display numbers with fractions in specific number of digits, and the syntax for set precision is set precision number of digits. Now look at this example code. Here we had assigned floating point variable HRA as 1200.123, and next Cout will display the given digits in 5 digits because we had set the set precision as 5. So we will get the output as 1200.1, and next Cout will display 6 digits. So we will get the output as 1200.12. Here it will not calculate the decimal point for spaces. So this is the use of set precision. Next, today's assignment questions are: first, difference between ENDL and /n. Next, what is the use of setW format manipulator? So with this I conclude our class today. Thank you.